In previous lecture, we learned about mole. Now, in this lecture, we start exercise 14.2. Question number 1. The following table shows the age of patients admitted in a hospital during the year. Find the mode and mean of the data. In this question, two things are found, mean and mode. We learn mean and mode. Now, prepare the frequency distribution table. Age in years, it's called class. 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 to 60. Number of patients, that's called FI. 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. Sum of frequencies, that means sigma Fi is equals to A. We have to find mean and mode. For mean, necessary Xi. We have necessary Xi. Xi is equals to lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Then 15 plus 5 divided by 2. 30, 20 divided by 2 is 10. 15 plus 25 divided by 2. 40 divided by 2, 20. 25 plus 35 divided by 2, 60. 60 divided by 2, 30. 35 plus 45 divided by 2, 80. Divided by 2, 40. Then our class size 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10, 10 added. Continuous class and class size is equal. Therefore, first Xi, that means class marks is equal to 10. Therefore, 10 plus 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now, we prepare the column UI. UI is equal to Xi minus A upon H. Here we choose A from Xi. We choose A is equal to 30. Therefore, UI is equal to Xi minus 30. H is equal to class interval, class size 5 to 15, then 10. Xi UI is equal to 10 minus 30 divided by 10. 10 minus 30 minus 20 divided by 10, then minus 2. Here minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. 20 minus 30 upon 10 is equal to minus 10 upon minus 10, minus 1. 30 minus 30, 0 upon 10 is equal to 0 and so on. 5, 1, 2, 3. Now multiplication of Fi and Ui. We prepare column Fi and Ui. 6 2s are 6 into minus 2 minus 12. 11 into minus 1 minus 11. 21 into 0 0. 23 into 1 23. 14 into 2 28 and 5 into 3 15. Sum of negative numbers minus 23 and sum of positive numbers 66. Then sigma Fi Ui is equal to 6 minus 23 plus 66 is equal to 43. First we find mean by step deviation method. Our formula x bar is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui upon sigma Fi into H. Putting the value of these terms, A is equal to 30 plus sigma FIUI is equals to 43 upon sigma FI is equals to 80 into class interval H is equals to 10. 30 plus 43 upon 80 into 10, 0 card, 43 ones are 43 upon 8. 30 plus 43 divided by 8, 5.375. That means approximate value 5.38. 30 plus 5.38, x bar is equals to 35.38 yards approximately. Now we find mode. We find mode. We want maximum frequency to see what maximum frequency of the class. In this frequency, 23 is maximum number. Therefore, model class is equals to 35 to 45. First we find model class. Model class whose frequency is maximum highest, then it is called model class. 35 to 45, its frequency is 23 among this frequency. Therefore, our model class is equals to 35 to 45, lower limit 35. Its frequency is called F1. F1 is equals to 23. F0, the previous frequency of model class. Previous frequency of model class, is 21. Therefore, F0 is equals to 21, and F2 is successive frequency of model class. Therefore, F2 is equals to 40. Our formula mode Z is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put the value L is equals to 35 plus 23 minus 21 upon 2 into 23 minus 21 minus 40 into 10. Simplify these terms. 35 plus 23 minus 21, 2 into 10. 23 2s are 46. Minus 21 minus 14, that means minus 35. 35 plus 10 2s are 20. 46 minus 35 upon 11. 35 plus 1.81 is equals to 36.81. Z is equals to 36.81 years approximately. So in this question, mean is equals to 35.38 years and mode is equals to 36.81 years. Exercise 14.2, question number 3. Find the mode and mean of this data. In this question, we find mode and mean. Also this question, we have two things, mode and mean. Expenditure rupees in class, 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3000 to 500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500 and 4500 to 5000. We have given this class 1000 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500. Our class size is equals to 500. And this class are continuous class and their size is equal 500. In all class size is equals to 500. Number of families Fi 24, 40, 33, 28, 30, 22, 60 and 7. Sum of frequency sigma Fi is equals to 200. To find mean, we have to find, to prepare the column xi, class mark. Xi, that means class mark, lower limit plus upper limit divide by 2. 1000 plus 1500 divide by 2. 2500 divide by 2. 1250. Our class size is equal to 500. We and continuous class and equal size, therefore we have added 500 in all the first xi. First we find first xi, first class mark, 1250 plus 500, therefore 1750 plus 500, 2250 plus 500, 2750 plus 500, we add all 500. Now we find ui. ui is equal to xi minus a upon h. We choose xi, we choose a, assuming among xi. Here we choose a is equal to 2750. Therefore, ui is equal to xi minus 2750 divided by 500. 1250 minus 2750 divided by 500 is equal to minus 1500 divided by 500 minus 3 and put minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now product of Fi and ui, the column is Fi ui. Product of Fi and ui, 24 into minus 3, minus 72. 40 into minus 2, minus 80. 33 into minus 1, minus 33. 28 into 0, 0. 30 into 1, 30. 22 into 2, 44. 16 into 3, 48. And 7 into 4, 28. Sum of these negative numbers is equal to minus 185. And sum of these positive numbers is equal to 150. Therefore, sigma Fi ui is equal to minus plus minus, minus 185 plus 150, that minus 35. Sigma Fi ui is equal to minus 35. Now find mean x bar. X bar is equal to a plus sigma Fi ui upon sigma Fi into h. Put all the values. 2750 plus minus 35 upon sigma Fi is equal to 200 into h is equal to 500. 2750 plus minus minus 35 into 5 upon 2, 0, 0 cut. 35 into 5 is equal to 175 divided by 2. Simplify these terms. Now 175 divided by 2 is equal to 87.5. We substitute 87.5 from 2750. Then 2662.5 rupees. The mean is equal to 2662.5 rupees. Now we find more. We have to find more. First we find maximum frequency in this frequency column. 40 is maximum number. Therefore, our model class is 1500 to 2000 because its frequency is 40, which is maximum frequency. Therefore, 1500 to 2000 is our model class. Lower limit of this class, model class, is equal to 1500 to 2000. Lower limit R is equal to 1500. Frequency of model class is equal to 40. F1 is called F1. Frequency of preceding class of model class is called F0 is equal to 24. And frequency of successive class of model class is equal to 33. It's called F2. F2 is equal to 33. To find more, our formula Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Put all the values. L is equal to 1500, F1 40 minus 24 upon 2 into 40 minus 24 minus 33 into 500. 1500 plus 40 minus 24 is equal to 16. 42s are 80. Minus 24 minus 33 minus 57 into 500. 1500 plus 16 into 500 upon 80 minus 57 is equal to 23. 1500 plus 16 5s are 80. 8000 upon 23. 8000 upon 23 is equal to 347.83. 1500 plus 347.83 is equal to 1847.83 rupees. Therefore, mode is equal to 1847.83 rupees.